Good morning students. 10th standard maths is a chapter 5 coordinate geometry exercise 5.1. Already in 9th standard we learned that some of the formula distance formula and then midpoint formula and then centroid of a formula. Then midpoint formula means is a x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So apply this formula in this sum only. So 8th question, let p comma 11 comma 7 q 13.5 comma 4 and r 9.5 comma 4 be the midpoint of the sides AB, BC and AC respectively of triangle ABC. Find the coordinate of the vertices A, B and C. Hence find the area of triangle ABC and compare this with area of triangle PQR. Very important sum. First one, what are the measurement given? PQR. Midpoint points are given inside AB. First draw one triangle ABC. Then first one is a AB side. Which one is a midpoint? P only. So in ABC, AB side mention the point P, and then BC is the midpoint of Q, and then AC side is the midpoint of R only. So PQR is a coordinate point. P 11,7, Q 13.5, 4 and R 9.5, 4. First question, find the coordinate of ABC. So x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 only find out first step. The second one, find the area of triangle ABC and compare with the area of triangle, small triangle PQR. That only is a second question. First one, P is the midpoint of AB side. So apply the midpoint formula. So A coordinate and then B coordinate only mentioned. x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2 equal to, what is the midpoint answer given? 11, 7. So comparing with both the side coordinate point, x1 plus x2 by 2 equal to 11 and then y1 plus y2 by 2 equal to 7. So cross multiply the term, x1 plus x2 equal to 11 2s are 22. You mentioned the first equation. y1 plus y2 equal to 2 7s are 14. That one is a second equation. The next one is a Q is the midpoint of BC side. So what are the coordinate point? x2, y2, x3, y3. So apply the midpoint formula. x2 plus x3 by 2, comma y2 plus y3 by 2 equal to midpoint 13.5, 4. Okay. Both the side also corresponding values equal to corresponding value. x2 plus x3 by 2 equal to 13.5. y2 plus y3 by 2 equal to 4. So cross multiply and find out the third and fourth equation. So x2 plus x3 equal to 13.5 into 2. So 27. That one is a third equation. y2 plus y3 equal to 8. That one is a fourth equation. Next one is R is the midpoint of AC. So apply coordinate x1, y1, x3, y3. So apply x1 plus x3 by 2, y1 plus y3 by 2 equal to R midpoint 9.5, 4. So both the side also equal to corresponding value. x1 plus x3 by 2 equal to 9.5, y1 plus y3 by 2 equal to 4. Then cross multiply the term, x1 plus x3 equal to 9.5 into 2 is a 19. That one is a fifth equation. y1 plus y3 equal to 4 2s are 8. That one is a sixth equation. First one adding, what are the equation? So x value only adding the term. First equation and then third equation and then fifth equation. So adding 1 plus 3 plus 5 and find out x1, x2, x3 value. The next 2, 4, 6 only add and find the y1 values. So first one adding 1 plus 3 plus 5. So 1 is a x1 and then this also x2, 2 terms, x1 also 2 terms and then x3 also 2 terms given. So right, 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 equal to first one value, right answer value 22 plus 27 plus 19. Add the term 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 equal to both the term also added 68. Both also common is a 2 only. 2 bracket x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 68. The next step, x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to, then 2 go to the right hand side, it's a dividing only, 68 by 2 equal to 34. The next step, x1 plus x2 or x2 plus x3, any one value substitute. So already x2 plus x3, what is the value given? x2 plus x3 equal to 27. That value only substitute in this equation from 3 value. So x1 plus x2 plus x3, what is the value given? 27. x1 plus 27 equal to 34. Then plus 27 go to the right hand side, minus 27. So x1 equal to 7. The next one, any one equation, substitute the value, x1 equal to 7. So that value substitute in first equation. So what is the first equation? x1 plus x2 equal to 22. Say x1 already find out the value 7, substitute the value 7 plus x2 equal to 22. Therefore x2 equal to 22 plus 7 go to the right hand side, minus 7. So x2 equal to 15. Already x1, x2 find out. One more value is x3 only. Substitute in third equation. So third equation is x2 plus x3 equal to 27. Substitute the x2 value 15. 15 plus x3 equal to 27. Therefore x3 equal to 27 minus 15. So answer x3 equal to 12. So find out x1, x2, x3. The next one is adding y terms. 2 plus 4 plus 6. Both the term also add. So second equation y1 plus y2. Fourth left hand side y2 plus y3. So 2 y2 terms are given. y2, this also y2 term. y1 also this term. Then one more term y1, 2 y1 term. y3 also 2 terms are given. So right, 2 y1 plus 2 y2 plus 2 y3 equal to right hand side value. First equation 14 plus 8 plus 8. Add the term. So 2 also common for left hand side. 2 bracket y1 plus y2 plus y3 equal to add the term 30. Therefore y1 plus y2 plus y3 equal to 30 divided by 2 equal to 15. Then any one value y1 plus y2 or y2 plus y3. Any one value substitute. So y2 plus y3 only within bracket mentioned from fourth value. What is the fourth value? y2 plus y3 equal to 8. Substitute this value. y1 plus y2 plus y3 8 only equal to 15. Therefore y1 equal to 15 plus 8 go to the right hand side, minus 8. So y1 equal to 7. The next one, substitute in second equation. What is the second equation? y1 plus y2 equal to 14. Substitute the y1 value 7 plus y2 equal to 14. Therefore y2 equal to 14 minus 7. So answer y2 equal to 7. The next y3 find out. Substitute in fourth equation. y2 plus y3 equal to 8. What is the y2 value? 7. 7 plus y3 equal to 8. Therefore y3 equal to 8 minus 7 equal to 1. First question over. Find the coordinate of the vertices ABC. What is that second question? Find the area of triangle ABC and compare this with area of triangle PQR. So big triangle and then compare with the area of smaller triangle. Find out first a smaller triangle, area of triangle PQR. So mention the coordinate point P11, 7, Q 13.5, 4, then R 9.5, 4. Half into is apply the pictorial method only. Apply this value x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x1 again last time x1 x2 only mentioned. x1 y1. Okay, so substitute the value 11 7 x2 y2 13.54 9.54 9. Again last x1 y1 is 11 7. Okay, first at the up to down only multiple the terms. Half into 11 4s are 44 plus 13.5 into 4 is a 54 plus next 9.5 into 7 is a 66.5. Close the bracket. So outside apply the symbol minus, then start the next bracket. Down to up only multiple the terms. 7 into 13.5 is a 94.5. 4 into 9.5 is a 38 plus 4 11s are 44. Close the bracket. Half into first all the terms are plus only, positive only, add the term 164.5. Middle one is a minus. Next bracket terms, add the term 176.5. Okay, big number is a minus symbol only given. So 176.5 minus 164.5. So answer is a big number sign is a minus 12. So cancel the in two table 2 and then minus 12 in minus 6. So negative area of triangle means negative is not possible. So write the answer area of triangle PQR equal to positive only 6 square unit. Next you find out area of triangle ABC. So A, B, C coordinate point mentioned. So A coordinate point x1 y1 is a 7, 7. B coordinate point is x2 y2 15, 7. C coordinate point x3 y3 12, 1. Again start the pictorial method only. Find out the area of triangle ABC. Half into x1 y1 7 comma 7, 15 7, 12 1, again you complete x1 y1 7 7. So first up to down only multiply the term, half into 7 7s are 49 plus 15 1s are 15 plus 12 7s are 84, close the bracket. Normally apply the middle one is a minus symbol. Start the next bracket. Down to up only multiply the term, 7 15s are 105 plus 7 12s are 84 plus 1 7s are 7, close the bracket. Half into, add the first bracket term 148, middle sign minus, add the second bracket term 196. So 196 only big number term, so 196 minus 148, so half into, apply the big number sign minus 48, reduce by in 2 table minus 24, again you write down, negative is not possible, so only write down in positive only. So area of triangle ABC equal to 24 square unit. So write the answer comparing with the both the triangles. So area of triangle ABC answer 24 square unit, area of triangle PQR equal to 6 square unit. So write the answer, area of triangle ABC equal to 6. 6 into one more term only multiple, answer is equal to 24. So 4 into area of triangle PQR, that only you mentioned the answer. 9th question. In the figure, the quadrilateral swimming pool shown is surrounded by concrete patio. Find the area of the patio. Patio means is a concrete outside door only is mentioned the patio. So find the area of the, that shape is a quadrilateral shape only given. A, B, C, D is a outside quadrilateral. Then E, F, G, H is a inside quadrilateral. This area of the outside concrete only, that only find out the area of the patio. So area of the patio equal to area of quadrilateral ABCD minus area of quadrilateral EFGH. The same pictorial method only you find out the answer. First you find out area of quadrilateral ABCD. 4 sides are given. So write x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4. Again you complete x1 y1 only. So substitute the value. A value minus 4 minus 8, 8 minus 4, x3 y3, C value 6 10, x4 y4 minus 10 6, again complete minus 4 minus 8. Half into, first up to down only multiply the terms within bracket, minus into both the minus into minus plus only. 4 4s are 16, 8 10s are 80, 6 6 are 36, minus into minus plus 10 8s are 80. Close the bracket, minus, next down to up the numbers only multiple, minus 8 into 8 minus 64, minus 4 into 6 minus 24, 10 into minus 10 minus 100, 6 into minus 4 minus 24, close the bracket. Add the term, bracket term, half into, this value is at 1212, minus, next bracket, the same sign given means add the term, minus 212. So outside minus symbol given, so minus into minus plus only. So half into 212 plus 212, add the term, remove the bracket, half into 424 reduced by 2 table is a 212. So area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to 212 square unit. Next one again find out inside quadrilateral, area of quadrilateral EFGH. So this one x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4. So mention the term. x1 y1 E value minus 3 minus 5, next 6 comma minus 2, next 3 comma 7, next minus 4, then last again complete minus 3 minus 5. So up to down only multiple the term, half into minus 3 minus 2 6, 6 7s are 42, 3 4s are 12, minus 6 into minus 5 plus 30. Close the bracket, middle one apply minus, then next bracket start the element, minus 5 into 6 minus 30, minus 2 into 3 minus 6, 7 into minus 6 minus 42, 4 into minus 3 minus 12, close the bracket. First bracket term, add the term, half into 90 minus, next bracket same term only given, add the term minus 90, then minus into minus plus only, half into 90 plus 90, add the term is a 180, reduced by 2 table is a 90 square unit. You find the area of the patio. So area of the patio means area of quadrilateral ABCD minus area of quadrilateral EFGH. Area of ABCD, what is the answer? 212 minus area of EFGH is 90. So subtract the term, so answer equal to 122 square unit.